This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. This is a second floor in unit, the Celiana floor plan, the largest floor plan of the terraces in Bonita National. This unit has a fabulous golf course and amp, lake view, and it is located walking distance to the superb amenity center offering resort waterfall pools, laptop pools, fitness center and spa, tennis, poolside grill/restaurant and more. Bright and airy with southern exposure, tastefully furnished, barely lived in, this unit offers 2 bedrooms plus a DN kitchen with breakfast nuke, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and enclosed lanai with fantastic views. Better than new, move-in ready. Close to RSW Airport and a short drive to Naples and Ft Myers, Bonita Springs is a fabulous choice. Only a short drive to Bonita Beach and Vanderbilt Beach in Naples. Sunny Southwest Florida is waiting for you, make it your home. Social membership included. For more information, review the details below.